Hi guys, welcome to Motivational Puneet. So today is day 32 of 100 Day Fitness Challenge where I will perform 32 push-ups and 32 squats. Before that, I want to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Puneet. I'm a motivational blogger from Admiring Life and a book reviewer as well from Understanding the Books. Also now a fitness enthusiast. Okay, that's all for my intro. I would like to tell you my daily motto as I always do. So today's daily motto is from my own personal story. So 5 days back, I have to complete an assignment for my internship, but I failed to do that. But in that process, I learned something new that even if you work for like 12 hours or sometimes don't sleep at night as well to complete your task, you can fail. Yes, if you work like a mad person, you can still fail and still not be able to do your work. And it happens. I think it happened with you as well as at some point of your life as well. But it teaches you that after every failure, after every setback, you become stronger. So today's motto is don't fear, don't fear from failure because every failure has something to teach you. Yeah, so that's all for daily motto. Now I'll go to my push-up position and perform my push-ups. I have to do 32, so I'll try to do in 2 sets only. Let's see how it goes. So I'll stay close to my body today as I was doing wide push-ups till now. I'll try to do uh, a little less wide and stay close to my body today while doing push-ups. So let's see how it goes. Also, it's because I want to maintain my posture a little bit, and I don't want to mess up little. I don't want to mess up things because I already have some neck issues. So I'm adapting to the changes. Let's see how it goes. I'm done with warm up by the way. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Let's see how it goes. Starting now. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11. So I'm done with 11. I'm left with 21 more. Let's see. I'll continue. I'm done with 11. Oh, okay. Starting again. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 'So I'm done with 18. I'll continue again. I'm left with 14 more. Okay, starting again. Okay, starting again. Formatting. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I'm done with 23. I'm left with 9 push-ups. So as I'm getting tired, I'm thinking to do in like 3-3-3 so that I don't lose my shape and still perform 32. I'm done with 23. 9 left. So yeah, let's go for 3-3-3. I won't waste much of time now. This set is three push-ups. I'll do like 3 more sets like this. Okay, I think I'm good to go. 3 is the target for this set. Let's see. 1, sorry, 24. That's 25. And that's 26. So I'm left with 6. I'll do in 2 sets. I'll start now. Sorry this video is taking ages, but I'm sorry I have to do it. I just have to do it. I'm done with 26. 6 more left. Starting again. 27, 28, 29. I'll do one more. 30. I'll do one more. 31. I'll do one more. 32. So yeah, I'm done with 32. I'll go to my squat position and do my squats. Remember, it's only 32, and as I'm getting better with squats, I'll try to do it two sets, maybe like 16. So let's see how it goes. Go into my squat position. I think I'm good to go. Let me just breathe normally first. Okay, starting now with squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. One set done, last set left. Okay, starting the second set now. 1, 17, and this is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. Let me get my breathing normal. So yeah, that's all for day 31. I hope you like this video. If you have anything to share, please comment below. And this is Motivational Puneet signing off for today. I'll see you on the day 32. Thank you for watching. Sorry, day 33. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.